Hello, this is Ricardo with Elite HVAC, and in today's video we're going to show you our ducted heat pump installation process. After you decided that you want a ducted heat pump for your air conditioning zone for your home, the very first step that Elite HVAC Contractor is going to do, we're going to come to your home and we're going to do what we call a heat load calculation to make sure that we choose the best possible unit for your home. Follow me so I can show you a little bit more about that. Once we're in your home, we're gonna use our software to scan your home and help us decide the best ducted heat pump for your needs. I want to show you a little bit more about that. This is the program that we use, so you'll see us scanning your home. And this is going to help us choose the right heat pump for you. After deciding together what's the best heat pump for you, the very next step is going to make sure that your home stays protected and clean throughout the installation process. As you can see here, we have carpet protection, we have plastic walls, and we focus on keeping everything nice and clean for you. After we're done protecting your home for the heat pump installation, you're going to see us with our tools inside your home, and you're gonna see us working. Follow us so I can show you what we're doing. As you can see, we're working on the air handler. This is part of the ducted heat pump installation. You'll see us working on reconnecting the sheet metal, the ductwork, and making sure if this is going to be nice for you. Also, during the ducted heat pump installation, you're going to see our crew working outside in the heat pump condenser itself. We'll be doing the wiring, installing it, doing the copper pipes to make sure everything's working fine at the end of the job. Part of your ducted heat pump installation is going to include a pressure test. As you guys can see here, we have the heat pump up on a stand, and right now we're doing a pressure test to make sure that we don't have no leaks in your heat pump, keeping it efficient and eco-friendly. Part of the ducted heat pump installation from Elite HVAC Contractors is going to include all the wiring, as you see here. We're going to be testing to make sure everything's working as it should. We have couple of safety devices here. We have our wireless thermostat kit and our Wi-Fi adapter, and right now we're going to be doing the testing to make sure everything's working fine before we turn it over to you or the homeowner. One of the final steps during the heat pump installation process is that we're gonna walk the home with you. Together we're going to look at the system. We're going to show you everything about maintenance, everything that you need to know about how the system behaves, what to do and what not to do. And as you guys can see here, we have the heat pump already installed. We've already tested it in heating and cooling. So that's one of the final steps for the ducted heat pump installation.